Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Chemistry Past Question 26. A metal M displaces zinc from zinc chloride solution. This shows that A. The electrons flow from zinc to M. B. M is more electropositive than zinc. C. M is more electronegative than zinc. And D. Zinc is more electropositive than M. Now, if a metal M should react with zinc chloride and displaces zinc from this solution, thereby giving rise to this equation plus zinc, it simply means that this metal is higher than zinc in the electrochemical series. Electrochemical series simply shows the position of each metal, that is how reactive each metal is. The strength of each metal is actually described by this electrochemical series. So if a metal should displace zinc from its own solution, like zinc chloride here, it simply represents that this metal is actually higher than zinc in the electrochemical series, and it also implies that the metal is more electropositive. It is more electropositive than zinc, because the higher its position on the electrochemical series, the higher its electropositivity and the higher its reaction, and that is why it is able to displace zinc from this solution. But if the metal is actually lower than zinc in the electrochemical series, there is no way it will be able to displace zinc, because zinc will be more reactive than the metal. But because the metal is more reactive than zinc and occupies a higher position on this electrochemical series, it makes it more electropositive than zinc, and that is why it is able to displace zinc from the solution of sodium zinc chloride. So the answer to the question is option B. M is more electropositive than zinc. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.